Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can pin any reel on your Instagram profile. If you have many reels, but if you want to pin any specific reel on your Instagram profile, then there is an option that you can pin one reel on your Instagram profile. So how you will do it? Just open your Instagram app on your mobile phone and go to your profile, click on your profile. Now in your profile, now scroll down and go to your reel section. Now in reel section you can see there are many reels, but now if you want to pin any specific reel, just open that reel. And now at the right bottoms there are, you can see there are three dots. Click on these three dots and now click on this manage option. Now here you can see option called pin to your reels. Just simply click on this pin to your reels. Now you can see your reel has been pinned. Now I will go back and now I will again click on my profile, refresh my profile. Now after refreshing, scroll down and now here you can see this reel has been pinned. This is now at the number first. So this is how you can pin any specific reel on your Instagram profile.